Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So if you work with Blender and ZBrush, then the Extreme Addons bundle for Blender and ZBrush from the folks at Flip Normals in partnership with the folks at Humble Bundle might just be one of the cool things that has happened, as the folks at Flip Normals and Humble Bundles are currently giving creators 29 interesting items, and these cuts across Blender and ZBrush add-ons, and these are amazing ones. And all of these will be costing about £22.42 to get all of them, as against spending £454.22. And this is beautiful because you'll be getting a good number of stuff, and this includes Lazy VFX, and Lazy VFX is a comprehensive VDB asset library for Blender that offers over 270 high quality volumetric effects to enhance your scene. We've also got the Better Lighting version 2.0, which is also a brilliant one that I've already talked about on the channel before, and this lets you create incredible lighting in no time and offers some beautiful lighting set of tools that can allow you create that very nice caustic feel with beautiful global libraries as well. This is optimized for cycles rendering and comes with some interesting features like the cross-platform compatibility, and because this is a very interactive tool, you can adjust directly within the viewport and see the result. This also comes with an easy-to-use spine menu for quick adjustment of the lights and other properties. There's also an extensive library of animated lighting presets which you can work with. So whether you're working with lighting presets or global libraries and you're looking for something that is a bit more versatile and has a couple of things going for it, then the Better Lighting version 2 is actually nice. We've also got the Fluid Kit, which is now available with this bundle, and this is a water generator and water asset library. This is also made available by Cassie, and this offers over 300 high quality static water assets that have been meticulously crafted with nice shaders, and you can work with them with one single click as well. Additionally, you can use a stroke to direct how you like the waters to go, and this also comes with some interesting presets for the shaders that you can tweak and get some impressive result. There's also the brush based animation tool, which allows you to simply animate waters across a curve, and you can do some very interesting procedural water shading and painting to bring more life to your scene with the editable meshes that this also provides. We've also got another nice one single click tool, which is the Lazy Forest, and Lazy Forest is of course again from Cassie, and this features over 40 built-in assets that can allow you create forests easily. Now we've done a whole video about how you can work with that, and version 2.0 now comes with another additional 140 plus 3 models that can let you paint and create forests easily, as this particular bundle pack comes with the Lazy Forest add-on and also the 3M plant library, which we have previously sold separately, but now with these you now have them as one. Another set of interesting creators that are also putting out some stuff with this particular bundle is the folks at Physical Addons, as they're giving out their Physical Starlight and Atmosphere, one of the best atmospheric tools that I've talked about on the channel before. We've also got the Physical Celestial Object. This is for creating procedural planets, and it is amazing. One other cool tool that they've also put together, which was also featured in Flow, the award-winning animation, is the Physical Open Waters, and this is also here. So you also be getting this one alongside the bundle, and this also gives you a good number of stuff that you can play with. More so, the Spline Brush, which simply turns your splines into brushes, especially for 2D artists or potentially those who work with, grease pencils and stuff like that, you're into stylization stuff. This is one powerful Blender add-on that will definitely transform your curves into dynamic brush strokes or decals directly on your 3D model. Of course, you can leverage off the geometry node tools that this is built on, and this allows you to simply draw spines easily and automatically align them to surfaces and control them how you want. The Light Wrangler is a beautiful tool. We've mentioned it on the channel. It's quite essential for those that are into either product rendering or you like playing with lights inside of Blender. You definitely find this one pretty useful, as the Light Wrangler simply transforms your lighting workflow by providing some intuitive and yet realistic controls and effects to bring to life a powerful and customized way of lighting your scene. Of course, this comes with some interesting features like the target cursor placement. There's also some advanced lighting effects that comes with this, some flexible positioning, and of course, this is fully interactive and is beautiful overall. Marking's Knot Quad Maker is also here, and this is a retopology tool, and this tool is very similar to what you've got with Maya's retopo tool. It's quite impressive how this one works. It's got all the bells and whistles, so if you're coming from Maya and you're working with Blender, and possibly you're looking for something that you can work easily with, jump into edit mode and start creating quickly and doing that cool retopology, then this tool is for you. And of course, we've got more Blender tools, which includes the GeoScatter, by far one of the best scattering tools that exist for Blender. And the most recent update now introduces features such as imprint simulation, ecosystem density control, and enhanced manual painting brushes. And this offers greater precision and flexibility for you to scatter stuff easily in Blender. GeoScatter provides a lot of tools for artists, and this includes one-click scattering with customizable presets. This also supports ID maps and also texture-based distribution, which is pretty cool. In terms of LODs and optimization, this has been fully optimized for performance with various types of culling, including camera culling and level of detailed features. Overall, this offers an advanced way of scattering stuff in Blender. So whether you're trying to use some painting tools alongside scattering based of ID maps and so on, GeoScatter 5.5 has a ton of things in store. Wrap Gen is also another impressive tool as well, which you can use to wrap stuff around. It's good for custom wrapping, fully procedural as well. We've got the Real Cloud from Cassie Ship as well. This is also an interesting Blender add-on that comes with over 200 VDB stuff. So just in case, you're looking for VDB clouds that you can work with, that's also a beautiful one. The Fit Curve is another cool one from King's Note as well. So if you've got objects and you like to deform them across a curve, you can simply rely on that. We've also got the Blend Shop, which is a layer-based compositing and color gradients tool, and we've also talked about it on the channel. So just in case you want to see how some of these tools work, you can simply check the channel and see those for yourself. The GeoSign 1.0 is also interesting. This is a powerful sign generator add-on for Blender, and the GeoSign itself has gotten a couple of updates, because at this point, this gives you access to over 1000 plus sign text that you can work with easily. And of course, you can also draw yours, and you can also do some customization, and these are amazing Blender add-ons that are now with this bundle. Now let's talk about some ZBrush add-ons that you'll be finding with these. First off, we've got the Power Modeler ZBrush plugin. And the Power Modeler is one nice add-on that simply gives you access to the ZBrush tools by simply adding 30 intuitive icon-based buttons that transforms that very text-heavy ZBrush modeling panel, transforms all of that into a nice visual-friendly tool that you can work with. We've also got another one, which is the EasyMesh ZBrush plugin. And this actually fixes, optimizes, and reorganizes your 3D mesh easily and faster. And this is very cool for those who like to fix their meshes quickly. It's got a couple of actions that you can do, which includes flipping and checking the normals, merging, splitting, deleting path, and this also works with groups as well. For those who are into primitive, then Power Primitive is also with this bundle, and this one offers 30 new primitives that you can work with. These are very low poly primitive shapes, which doesn't come with ZBrush by default, and this makes it even easier for you to work with a specific kind of primitive and kit bash and simply start making cool stuff quickly. We've got the Power Text Brush Maker, that's also an interesting one as well. We've got the RealTime Hair plugin, and this is good because version 2 is what we're getting with this one. So the RealTime Hair Maker is pretty nice for those who like to create game-ready hair directly in ZBrush. So instead of fiddling with the fiber mesh, you can simply get started with this, build your stuff quickly, get your haircuts done, and this gives you all of the texture maps. Is fully UV'd from color to specular, normal, alphas, all of that fully sorted. You can't go wrong with it. Mohammed has also created a couple of interesting things like the Tone Maker. This is a beautiful one as well. So in case you like to add a bit of tone here and there on your ZBrush model, yes, you can, as this tool offers parameters that you can use to make all of that possible. Mohammed has also put together the UV Pro Master UV unwrapping tool for ZBrush, and it's slightly better than what you've got with your typical ZBrush tool. This tool is also pretty nice for those who like to, organize your UVs, get your UVs done properly. Then you should definitely consider checking this one out. There's the Armored Mirror plugin, which is also available. And we've got PowerShape ZBrush plugin, the ZBrush Mask and Delete plugin. That's pretty straightforward. We've got the Power Map ZBrush plugin, and this is from the folks at Artistic Squad as well. So with this, you can effortlessly generate your normals, displacement, fully paint texture, and effortlessly export this. So if you're into map or texture creation, that is definitely one cool plugin that I would suggest you check out. Then we've got the Modeling Enhancer ZBrush plugin as well, and this is a cool tool that simply enhances the details of your model and smoothens out imperfections, just to make the model look pretty nice. So all of these are now available, and you can come through and claim them for 22.42. So you can get all of these for 22.42 pounds instead of spending 454.22 to get them. Now, one thing to keep in mind is all of these plugins do not come with updates, so there is no lifetime updates. However, the creators have also included coupon codes in the bundle, so you can purchase directly from their store at the discounted price and receive updates and full support. So for those who like us to test out any of these plugins, then simply comment the plugin that you'd like us to talk about, and we'll do our best to explore that and show that to you guys. So this is it. These are amazing add-ons and plugins for ZBrush and Blender from the folks at Flip Normal, and they are amazing. And of course, the 3D Artist tool and Brush Mega Bundle from JRO Tools is also available, and we're making a video about that just to explore some of these things so that you guys can check them out. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at this, potentially you like to grab the Extreme Add-on bundle for ZBrush and Blender, or maybe you're into Clip Studio Paint, maybe you're into all of this stuff, then links to all of these are going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.